Okay guys, we are moving on to our Winter Ozobot Challenge, and for this challenge we are going to use this map and our color codes to have our Ozobot travel across the world like someone else I know is going to be doing in a couple of weeks. So, with this project, we want to make sure that we are using our black markers to make a trail like we've been practicing in class, not too thin, not too thick, just right. Because if we make it too thin, our Ozobot might confuse it for the lines, the outlines on the map. Another thing to remember when color coding is that we want to make sure that we don't make our color codes too wide or thick, because sometimes that confuses our Ozobot too. And if I were you, I would stay out of this area right here when making my map, because this is a lot of black. So your Ozobot will probably get a little confused if he travels through there. Okay, I've already started my map, so you can see I have some color codes going. Each color code represents a stop that I'm making on my path around the world. So I'm going to look at my color codes one more time. Okay. I'm going to find a color code that I want to use, and I'm going to add it right here because this is going to be a stop for me. But I don't want there to be any black lines in my code, so I'm going to make a turn and do my stop out here in the ocean. And I think what I want to do here is, I think a back walk would be really fun. That is red, green, black, and blue. Remember when you're doing your blue not to make it too dark, because then it gets confused with the black and it's not sure what it's doing. And every code needs to end with black, okay? So I can keep my path going here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and run my Ozobot to test it, because if this doesn't go right, I'm going to do it again here. Okay, so if this doesn't get red, I'm going to try it again right here because I want to make sure I'm doing my codes right. Now, in your path, when you're doing this on your own, you have to have at least 5 stops. I would really like more, but we could start with 5. Since I have 5, I can go up and request a sticker. I have all kinds of stickers for you to turn your traveling Ozobots into reindeer, gingerbread men, snowmen, penguins. You can choose whatever you want to represent your winter travels. I'm going to turn my Ozobot on. Okay, did my first one. So far so good with my codes. This one's a pause for 3 seconds, so when he stops, that's why. Back walk. Oh, he didn't do the back walk correctly. So I'm going to have to self-correct that and try it again right here. This is what you're working on today. You're going to work on your travel around the world with your Ozobot. And remember to come get a sticker from me when you have your 5 working color codes. So see, I couldn't get a sticker yet because this one did not work. I'm going to have to try that one again down here.